Welcome to the Weather Centre on Friday, where a cold front swept over the southern part of South Africa on Thursday. We're still expecting a bit of snow, mainly for the high mountain peaks around Lesotho on Friday morning, and that frontal system brings in some light rain, mainly for KwaZulu-Natal. It's followed by a ridging high, which pushes in cloud over the far northeastern parts, and it also brings in significant cooling over the central and eastern part of South Africa, with a chilly Friday in store. A bit of cloud remains in the forecast, especially along the coast, as well as over the western part of South Africa. The SA Weather Service have issued a warning for high seas along the coast between Cape Point and Durban, with a total sea of between 6 and 9 meters. Our rainfall probability map shows up to a 40% chance of light rain, mainly in KwaZulu-Natal, with a possibility of snowfall for those high mountain peaks around Lesotho, predominantly on Friday morning. Mild weather continues in the northeast, with most highs in the low 20s, 22 for Mahikeng and Polokwane, 23 degrees for Pretoria, Mbombela at 20, and a chilly day for Umalo at 15 degrees. We stick at that 15-degree mark for Bloemfontein and Bethlehem, with much colder weather in store for the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal interior. It'll be a chilly Friday here, with most highs in the low and middle teens. We head into the middle and upper teens as we head towards the coast, with strong winds in the forecast on Friday morning. A fresh southwesterly wind is expected between East London and Richards Bay, with the westerly wind for Port Elizabeth, and along the east coast we'll see a 4-meter south-southwesterly swell and a long wave period of 17 seconds. It'll be a cold day over the southern parts. Graafrenet at 12, only 11 for Beaufort West, with highs in the teens for Oudtshoorn, Worcester and Robertson, just shy of 20 in Vredendal. Muizenberg and Hermanus can expect a high of 15 with a light to moderate southeasterly wind. You'll see southwesterly winds between Cape Agulhas and Jeffreys Bay, with strong winds in the morning for Jeffreys Bay and a westerly wind in the afternoon, with a 5-meter south-southwesterly swell at 15 seconds. A very cold day is in store over the southern part of the Northern Cape, with a high of around 10 degrees, only 8 as we head towards Sutherland. Kimberley expecting a high of 16 degrees. Along the west coast, we can expect a light southeaster for Cape Town and Lambert's Bay at 17 and 15, with a fresh southeaster for Alexander Bay and a maximum temperature of 20, with a 3.5-meter southwesterly swell at 15 seconds. Things dry out as we head into Saturday, with a cool day over the southern part of South Africa and a bit of cloud overhead, partly cloudy and dry over the northeastern and eastern parts, with that cooling reaching Gauteng, Johannesburg at 16 degrees. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.